Good afternoon, everybody. Doug here for Proformance. Again, another one of our custom builds on the dyno here. This happens to be a 351 Windsor. It has the Holley Sniper on here. We're happy to laptop them and tune them all in for you. It's what we call part of our custom tuning when we dyno on our engines. So again, if you're interested in any one of our products, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. And again, this is a 351 Windsor, 350 horsepower rating, made about 399 horsepower, 438 foot-pounds of torque. I think it's going to move this gentleman's truck very nicely. So again, if you're interested in any one of our products, give Steve a call. He'll be happy to design something for you. Thank you. All right, Chuck, I have your 1975 Ford Bronco engine on the dyno. This happens to be a 351 Windsor EFI engine. We got the Holley on here, the Holley EFI. Let's fire it up. I think you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it.